Introducing the 2020 Ford Expedition Max. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an awe-inspiring Ford Expedition Max, the premium full-size SUV with an extended wheelbase and enhanced cargo capacity. It packs a host of luxurious amenities plus increased head and legroom, even in the third row. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: V6 cylinder engine, fog lamps, backup camera, lane keeping assist, keyless start, power driver seat, rear AC, alarm, blind spot monitor, running boards. Relax and soak up the calm of a luxuriously spacious passenger oasis when you journey in the Expedition Max. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.